Make a great choice today with the 2016 C-Class. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find driver attention alert system, airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4 power windows, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
A certified pre-owned Mercedes-Benz is so much more than a used car. It's built by a company famous for engineering triumphs, racing heritage, and its commitment to luxury, quality, reliability, and safety. Ask your dealer for details about the Mercedes-Benz Certified Pre-Owned program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.